Want to change the map view on the Waze app and customize how your map looks while navigating? In this video, I'll show you how to change the map view on Waze step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone and start a route to any destination. Once the map appears, look for the map view or display options on the navigation screen. Tap the map display button to switch between the available viewing options. You can adjust how the map is displayed, including changing the orientation between a direction-based view and a north-up view, depending on the options available on your version of Waze. You can also open Waze settings, tap display, and adjust additional map display preferences. Choose the settings that make the map easiest for you to read while driving. After making your changes, return to the navigation screen and check your new map view. And that's how to change the map view on the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.